Where, Jack? Want to see what the Easter Bunny brought? Come here, Boo. Look it. Ah, he left something for you. Oh, he left an egg. Ah, he found the egg that he left. Look what else he left. The Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
What is that? That's your Easter basket. Would you like to open? Who's in there? Oh my gosh, what's in there? Oh. Boy, he really knows how to wrap a package, Easter Bunny. There's a little bunny left this for you.
What is in here?
Come here, Boo. Ha!
Oh! It's your egg.
Oh, what is that? Eggs.
Yeah, Mama likes them.
Oh, Malama loves those. What else do you have in there, Boo? What else is in there? It looks like a Easter chicken. What else is in there?
Oh, soccer ball.
Oh, yeah.
All right, all your eggs. And
All
look,
your
who's
eggs.
this? Who's this?
Oh, a little hippo.
Elephant.
Oh, yeah.
And what's the last thing?
Ooh.
What's this?
Happy Easter, Boo.
Happy Easter, boo-boos.
Wow. Now open? Okay. Mommy Carrie's going to open. Open? Oh.
We're going to go on an Easter egg hunt around the house.
Yeah.
Open.
Look for all the Easter eggs.
Open. You little 2-year-old, almost. Ooh, he was at Easter in New York.
Wow, that is so cool, Jack. Oh, is that so cool? I love it.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Boo. We love you. It's cool. Yes, you remember.
It's like a microphone?
Yeah.
Hello.
Are those cool? Did you just say cool?
Sounded like you did.
Whoa. I love those. You got another one in there too. Whoa. Let's build with those. Whoa.